Think San Diego's just sunshine and surfers? Think again. From Spanish charm to sci-fi vibes, this city's got layers. Let's explore San Diego like never before. Balboa Park, it's like Spain and science had a baby. Then there's the USS Midway, a floating giant packed with stories. La Jolla Cove, where sea lions chill and sunsets steal the show. Gaslamp Quarter, historic by day, electric by night. Coronado, where beach meets royalty. San Diego's craft beer scene is next level. From fish tacos to pho, flavors everywhere. Nature lover, Torrey Pines, hiker, Cowles Mountain. And yeah, the sunsets. They really are that good. Family trip, solo escape. San Diego fits everyone. It's the kind of city that surprises you over and over again. San Diego, not what you expected, even better. Hit subscribe for more global journeys. Bonus tip, San Diego Zoo is basically an animal kingdom. From lions to pandas, it's a wild ride. Don't miss the aerial tram. It's a ride with a view. Okay, one last thing. Old Town San Diego, tacos, mariachi, and history. What more do you need? San Diego's not just a beach, it's a time machine. Whether you're chasing waves or chasing history, this city gives you both, no compromise. So pack your flip-flops and your curiosity, because San Diego's waiting, and it's more than ready to blow your mind.